Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna create a full face of makeup. So this is a New Year's party makeup look that I have created using all the affordable products that I got from Amazon. It's a very glam, glitzy kind of a look, perfect for a party. Amazon is having their end of season sale, which starts on the 23rd of December. There are huge discounts in this sale, so don't forget to check it out. The quality of these products are all good, and also you get such amazing quick delivery. I received most of these items delivered to me within a day itself, which is so cool. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. The first item that I have is the Fresh Look contact lens. This is in the shade Hazel. It has 5 pair of lenses in it. This is a single day use lens which really helps in enhancing your eye makeup, and they are very comfortable on the eyes too. I have been using these contact lenses for so many years now, and these are great lenses, and this is what I'm wearing right now on my eyes as well. As you can see, the shade Hazel is kind of like a universally flattering color, so it works on all skin tones. It looks nice on your eyes and just makes your eye makeup pop more. Next, I have a very interesting product from Swiss Beauty, which is this 2-in-1 eyebrow and eyeliner kit sort of a thing. It's a cute little pot. You also get this dual-ended brush along with the product itself. It's got an angle side as well as an eyeliner applicator side. So this packaging has 2 little compartments. So on the top, you have this very black looking eyebrow powder. Though it looks very black, it doesn't come off as a stark black color on your eyebrows, which kind of mimics the natural shadow of your eyebrows, so it doesn't look artificial or anything. Even I was scared when I saw this, but when I applied it on my eyebrows, it came out very nice. It's got this very nice consistency for an eyebrow powder, so it looks amazing on the eyebrows, which I really liked. Underneath, you have a gel eyeliner. This is also a very creamy product. I did not really expect this to get so creamy. It's a very smooth jet black gel eyeliner. It doesn't irritate my waterline or anything. It is very safe. Really like this product. It's kind of like a multifunctional product. If you're on a budget, you should absolutely check this one out from Amazon. It's on a great deal at the moment. The next item that I have is this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is their HD professional eyeshadow palette. The variant is 04 and it has got 40 different eyeshadow colors in this one packaging itself. Just look at the color selection of this palette. It's a beautiful matte eyeshadow palette. All of these eyeshadows are matte. They don't have any shimmer in it. You're getting every single color of eyeshadow that you would ever imagine to create an eyeshadow look. All the colors from really nice neutral tones to popping, vibrant, bold eyeshadows are all present in this one palette itself. And most importantly, these eyeshadows work amazing on your eyelids. They blend like butter on your eyelid, which is such an impressive thing from Swiss Beauty. They make some really good quality eyeshadows on a budget. You should definitely check them out. They also have very minimal fallout. Really love the quality of the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. The next product that I have is this Ronzil Cosmetics shimmer eyeliner. This is in a silver shade. Not really tried anything from this particular brand. This really looked appealing on the Amazon website, so I got my hands on this. This is called their metallic eyeliner. I've used this as a pop of color on my eyes today as an eyeliner and just smudged it out using a pencil brush for that blown out look instead of a stark look. Really like the packaging as well. It's got this very thin eyeliner applicator which creates thin or thicker line according to your liking. It's nice and flexible too, so you can easily create a liner along your upper lash line. The formula is also very nice. It's very fluid and yet it packs a lot of punch to the eyeliner. The next item that I got is the Revlon Kohl Kajal. I really like Revlon Kajal, so I want to give this a try. This is in like a wooden form, so it's like a very basic Kajal pencil. And also it comes with this really nice sharpener along with it. You don't really have to purchase a sharpener separately. It comes along with this product itself. This is a basic black kajal pencil. This is what I have on my waterline and lower lash line. More than the waterline, I think this particular kajal pencil would look really nice as a base underneath your eyeshadow to create that smokiness and depth to your eye makeup. Lower lash line as a base, or if you want to use it on your waterline, just dip it into any of your gel eyeliner, just run it on your waterline, and that way you can get an intense jet black color. I also got this Calabar Lash Illusion Mascara Duo. This has got two ends to it. One is volumizing and the other one is lengthening. I really like mascaras like these, which have dual ended wands to them. They kind of make your eyelashes look voluminous as well as lengthening at the same time. It added decent amount of volume and length to my lashes. It doesn't really clump up your lashes at all. It adds that nice separating effect to your lashes. You can pick this product on a great discount at the moment from the Amazon end of season sale. I also picked up these eyelashes. They come in a pair of 5. There are only 4 in this packaging because I already have one on my eyes right now. These are really nice looking eyelashes. You can wear this on any of your makeup looks that you create, be it very natural or even bolder looks. Look very nice on the eyes and feel quite comfortable as well. These have a very thin band on them, so that is why they feel very comfortable on the eyelids. They have a little bit of a winged corner to them, so they just lift your eyes further. If you're a beginner, you can totally try this. These are very affordable on Amazon, and you can get so many uses out of these 5 pairs. For my base makeup, I got the classic OG Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My shade is 335 Classic Tan, which is a perfect match for my complexion. This is on such a great deal right now on the Amazon end of season sale. It's a cult favorite foundation, and for a reason. It works on all skin types and they have multiple shades to choose from really fair to really deep dusky complexions. Blends so beautifully on the skin, provides a lot of coverage. You can build it up to a fuller looking coverage if you layer it up. Creates that beautiful poreless, flawless looking finish on the skin, and also lasts pretty decent on the skin as well. Really love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I highly recommend this to all of you makeup lovers. Perfect for beginners as well because it is very user friendly, and not only that, it is extremely affordable and great in quality. For concealer, I have the Photo Focus concealer from Wet n Wild. This is another favorite concealer of mine. This is in the shade Medium Tawny. It's a beautiful concealer. It has about medium coverage. You can also build it up to a slightly higher coverage as well, but it doesn't go too full in coverage. It gives you a nice smooth under eye without caking up. It blends so nicely on the skin. Again, this is perfect if you're a beginner. It is very easy to use. Lasts very well on your skin itself. Doesn't really matter what skin type you have. It works on all skin types. Love the packaging. It's got a nice doe foot applicator, so you can easily apply this on the under eyes. Very nice and long lasting on the skin, and very budget friendly and beginner friendly product. For powder, I picked up a very affordable product. This is from this brand called Gala of London. It's a loose powder and the shade is Pearl Medium. I could have picked up a lighter shade, but this one also works on my complexion. It's ever so slightly darker for my liking for a loose powder, but it's okay, it works on my skin. So I use this powder to bake underneath my eyes and to set the rest of the face as well, using a very light layer of the powder, and it did a pretty good job being so affordable. It really sets the under eyes nicely without caking up, without making my skin look powdery or anything. It just blends in with the skin, which is such a rare thing to find in such affordable products, but this one did a great job. For blusher, I have the Lakme 925 Pure Rouge blusher. This is in the shade Coral Punch, which is such a vibrant peachy coral shade. This works beautiful on my dusky complexion. It shows up pretty well, so a little bit goes a long way. It's a matte finish blusher, so it doesn't really emphasize any texture on your cheeks. It's a very punchy, potent kind of a blusher, so a little bit goes a long way. These kind of peachy coral vibrant blushes work on dusky complexions very well and last pretty decently on the skin as well. For highlighter, I picked up this highlighter palette from Makeup Revolution. This is called their Beyond Radiance palette. It has got 3 different highlighter shades in it and a very nice sized mirror, which is an amazing thing to have in a palette. Comes in very handy when you're traveling. I use this particular peachy shade of highlighter today on my skin. The very interesting part about this highlighter is that it's not blingy at all on the skin. In fact, it's a very soft focus highlighter. It's got a very nice soft, finely milled texture to it, so it doesn't emphasize any texture on the skin, and just highlights your skin beautifully. This will be a nice palette if you have especially oily skin types, just like I do. My skin obviously gets oily by the end of the day, no matter what setting spray, powder, whatever I use. So it kind of gives me that natural glow. So with this highlighter, it's not going to become even more oily, but it's going to be very subdued. Or if you like wearing highlighters during the day, this could be a very nice palette to have, since it doesn't really give you that blingy, intense effect on the cheeks. It looks very beautiful on the skin. It adds that soft veil of glow on the skin, which looks absolutely natural. I'm very glad that I found this product on a great discount on Amazon because I really enjoyed using it. For lipstick, I got the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Nude Umbrella. I love these matte melt liquid lipsticks from Lakme, and especially the mini ones because they are so cute and tiny and adorable to look at. And also they fit in my handbags very easily. Love the formula of these liquid lipsticks. They look very natural on the lips as well. They don't look very painted like on the lips. Talking about the shade Nude Umbrella, it's a very beautiful mauvey pink nude color on my skin tone personally, and I think this shade goes very well with the kind of makeup look that I have worn today. This is a very nice lipstick color to go for if you have a dusky skin, for really bold and dramatic makeup looks, or if you want to wear it during the day, just throw on a nice dark brown lip liner all over your lips and just apply this on the top and you're good to go. The final makeup product that I have is the Insight Makeup Fixer. I wanted to try something from Insight Cosmetics, so I got my hands on this. It's a really nice setting spray at such an affordable price. You can not only use this to set your makeup, but as a base before you begin with the makeup itself, as a primer. That will just make sure that the makeup grips onto your skin properly and is also very more long lasting. And of course, you can use this as a setting spray to control any oiliness on your skin and also to make your makeup last much longer. So this is what I use on my face today. It's been a while since I used this and I have no oiliness whatsoever on my skin peeking through. Being such an affordable setting spray, I think it's doing a brilliant job. So those were all the products that I used to create this New Year's Eve party glam makeup look that I got from the Amazon end of season sale. All the products that I showed you in today's video were on great discount on Amazon, and I got them in such a short span. Like I mentioned, I received all of these products in a single day itself, which is amazing. And not only that, the quality of these products are very good as well. So I'm very much happy with my purchase. All the products that I showed you in today's video will be linked in the description box. Don't forget to check out the Amazon end of season sale. So this is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!